Back YouTube. Before start coding, I suggest you to install WordPress on your local machine. If you need a guide, I have mentioned the video link below and on the screen as well, that will guide you how to install WordPress on your local machine. This one is the video that will guide you how to install WordPress on your local machine. Well, after installing the WordPress on your server, if you visit your site, it has default WordPress theme applying to display the content. If you go to the admin panel or admin dashboard of the WordPress, then appearance, theme, you see which theme is applied. Currently 2016 theme is active on my WordPress. We don't have our own theme yet, so let's create our own theme. Head towards the WordPress tutorial folder that we had created before while installing the WordPress. htdoc WordPress tutorial. Go inside the WP content theme folder and create a new folder and type folder name exactly as what you want to assign your theme name. My theme. Well, there are a lots of text editor available. Go and download any of them like Sublime Text, Atom, Beam, Notepad++, Brackets, and so on. My favorite is Sublime Text. Let me open the WordPress theme that we have just created. My theme folder on my favorite text editor, that is Sublime Text. WP content theme, my theme. WordPress theme deployment documentation clearly guide you about the common WordPress template file and their usage. First create index.php and style.css file. The index.php is a main template file which is required in all theme, and style.css is the main style sheet which is required in all theme and contain the information header for your theme. It controls the presentation, that means visual design and layout of the website page, and always located on the directory, that means root directory of your theme, not to the subdirectory. It contains header comment section to display information about the theme on your admin panel. Let's create index.php and style.css and save their index.php, and the second style.css, save there. We are not coding anything right now on the index.php. Let me close. And the style.css, it contains header comment that display some information about your theme. Let's code. That is the first one, theme name. It's the exact name of your theme, that is my theme. And the next is theme URI. Be sure it's not URL, it's URI, that is me, Arjun Pandey. It's the name of the theme author. Sorry, it's a theme URI, it's the URL of theme, that is http:// dot pandeyarjun.com.np. And the next, that is author. Author is me. You can mention your name or the author who created your theme. Author URI, that is the same :// www.np. And description and version, again license and license URI. That fits with the description. Useful TSM theme for TSM theme development tutorial drill that this helps you to create beautiful website. And the next is version, that is one point oh. License, that is you can set your own license. The WordPress documentation shows about the license that is on the main style sheet. License, general public license. I'm going to copy and paste over here, and the license URI is exactly the same. Let me copy and paste over here and close the content block and save that. Let's check on the dashboard. Until now we don't have our own WordPress theme that we have just created. We have only 2016, 2015 and 2017 theme, that is the default theme provided. These are the default theme provided by the WordPress itself. Let me refresh. Well, perfect, awesome. Now we have our own theme on the admin dashboard. My theme. Currently 2016 theme is active. Let me check the site, that is localhost WordPress tutorial. The WordPress site is displayed over here with some content. But if we if we make active our theme, we don't have anything on the index.php file, so it's blank. Perfect, awesome. We'll display and code something later on the new part of the video series. Okay, if you have any question, leave the comment in the comment box, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, share, then hit the bell and like button. Thank you. See you on new part.